Hello, heroes of the roof. Today we'll show you that the LAMILUX safety frame with the hook-in clamping strip is the perfect upper finish for the roof sealing membrane on your roof light dome. All you need to do is guide your waterproofing layer up to the bottom edge of the safety frame. Then take the pre-drilled and pre-cut suspension clamping strip and hang it in place. I don't even need a second hand. And then you pre-drill.
Boot vor.
Another big advantage is that by hanging this clamping strip at the top, in the safety frame, you save yourself the joint compound. That's how easy it is to connect the LAMILUX roof light domes perfectly. If you want to see more, go to www.lamilux.com.